Robo-Cat. Yes! Super scissor jump! Yeah!
And swirling spin! Kicking cartwheel!
Great job, team. Now all together. Go!
Yeah! Yay! Yeah!
Whoa! Whoops! Whoa! You really threw that one, Greg, straight into my garden. There it is. Huh? Guys! Why are you hiding? It's not funny. Greg and Amaya wouldn't have just left these. What's this? A circuit board? It must be Romeo. This is a mission for the PJ Masks. Well, one of us anyway. This PJ Mask is on his way into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave hero is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Connor becomes
Catboy. Okay, PJ Picture Player. What's this? From a robot? I knew it was Romeo. Don't worry, Greg and Amaya. Catboy's coming to save you. Cat ears.
Where is it? I must have lost it somewhere.
Got you.
I'm sure I had it in my pocket. Huh?
Romeo, what have you done with my friends?
They're here. But they work for me now.
What? Owlette, Gekko, get away from Romeo!
Negative. We will only obey Romeo now.
Something weird's going on.
Huh? Nothing to see here.
Oh, yeah? Let's shine some light on this mystery. Furballs! What? Greg! Amaya!
They grabbed us when we were all playing outside. It was easy without their superpowers.
But if you're in those cages, who are they?
Keep away from them, Catboy!
Wait, the picture player said robots. That's not Gekko and Owlette at all. Yeah!
No, but you thought it was, when it was really my incredible robot copies. And if I hadn't lost my circuit board, you would have been one of them too.
A circuit board? You mean this?
My circuit board! Don't be too confident, kitty cat. Soon my Robo-Owl and Robo-Gekko will put you in a cage too. Then I'll rule the world and you'll never stop me again! Catboy, free us so we can help you!
Not without your powers. Don't worry, I'll get your pajamas.
Looking for these, kitty litter boy?
Oh!
Yes, your pajamas are mine, and so are you!
These robots have the same powers as Owlette and Gekko?
Oh no, much better. Just watch this.
Whoa! Extra powers? That's not fair!
I warned you. It took years to build a supercomputer to power them, but now my robots are unstoppable, and so am I!
My tail is frozen!
Ha! A temporary effect, just long enough to put you in a cage. Your turn, Robo-Gekko. Whoa! Robots, get him and bring me back the circuit board.
Huh? I can feel my tail again. Autopilot. Ah! This is kind of fun.
After him!
This is no time for games. Yeah! Ha-ha! Huh? Huh? Get out of the way! I can't see! Cat car! Whoa! That's easy peasy for a hero like me. Whoa! Uh-oh! Hang in there, Greg and Amaya. The incredible Catboy's coming back for you. Super Cat Speed!
Well, I'm sure Catboy is on his way back here to free his friends, so keep your eyes open.
Look, they took Catboy's cat car. What have they done with him?
He should have let us help. I know we can, even without our powers.
But not while we're locked up. Give me your hairpin so I can unscrew this bar. Let's take this apart.
Guys, what are you doing?
I'm unscrewing the bars so we can get out.
Stop trying to escape. Without your powers, you'll be safer up here.
But we're almost out. One screw to go.
And we didn't need superpowers to do it. No, wait! I'm going to get your pajamas back. Whoa! Ah!
Catboy, get him, Robo-Owl!
Whoops!
Catboy, you got us caught.
Don't worry, I'll lead the robots away from you. Super Cat Jump! Oh, at least I still have this. Huh? Oh, we used Super Gekko camouflage.
Aha! I thought I'd lost this. So nice of you to find just what I need, Catboy. Now that I have the missing piece, I can activate my Robo-Cat. Now nothing can stop me. The PJ masks are finished. Finished!
I gotta do something. Huh? Yeah! Great work, Catboy. Now let us out to help. You'll need your powers. I'll get your pajamas.
Once I push this button, my robot will be ready.
Not so fast, Romeo. Hi-ya!
What? Help yourself, PJ Pass.
Oh! What have I done?
Robo-Cat, powered by my supercomputer.
Not 3 robots?
Robo-Cat, lock that pussycat up.
Whoa! This is a catastrophe!
Now nothing can stop me.
Oh!
No!
Greg and Amaya to the rescue! What? Huh?
My perfect robots! How did you pesky PJ Masks get out?
It's amazing what you can do with a hairpin.
You guys really are amazing, even without your powers. Thanks.
No problem.
You were right. I should have let you help before.
Get them, robots!
It's time to be a hero and let you guys help now. Super Cat Speed! Boom! Helping me defeat Romeo will be more fun as superheroes.
Amaya becomes...
Owlette!
Greg becomes...
Gekko!
The PJ Masks!
We need to get to Romeo's supercomputer. If we stop that, it'll stop the robots. Let's do it!
Huh? Go help the other robots, Robo-Cat!
No! Leaping lizard! Which of you are the real Gekko and Owlette?
I'm the real
Owlette.
I'm the real Gekko. I am.
Now what, kitty litter boy? You can't tell them apart.
Your robots may have superpowers, but they're not friends like we are. Owlette! Gekko! Catch!
Yay! Kicking cartwheels! Swirling spin! Huh?
See, Romeo? I know who my friends are. Ready for our special move?
Yeah! Stop them! Whatever they're doing, stop them! Yay!
Time to put your bad copies back to sleep, Romeo.
Ah! No! My supercomputer! You ruined my life's work! You'll pay for this next time, PJ Masks!
But it won't be for a while with the supercomputer destroyed.
Nice of Romeo to build these statues of us.
PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! Ugh. What? They've gone again? Guys? Haha, very funny.
Well, if you had your cat speed in the day, you wouldn't take so long looking for things.
Yeah, and if Gekko had his camouflage, he wouldn't need to hide.
With or without our superpowers, we're an amazing team. PJ Masks, let's go!
Owlette and the Giving Owl.
I can't wait to see what Amaya has for show and tell today.
Yeah, she always brings in something cool.
And I have again. Remember the statue my aunt gave me last year? My Giving Owl.
But didn't your aunt say to give it away? Because that would make you feel good?
That's why it's called a giving owl, right?
But I don't want to give it away. Keeping it feels good too.
If you say so.
So it's a keeping owl?
I'm going to put my statue with all the other show and tell things. I can't believe all of our stuff's gone. Gone? We left our show and tell things here yesterday, but now they're missing.
Missing or stolen?
PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy! A nighttime villain can't just take everyone's stuff.
Yeah, it won't be much of a show and tell with nothing to show. It'll just be a tell.
Then let's get it all back to the Owl Glider.
Cat ears! I hear something down there.
Moths. That means Luna Girl, and we can follow them right to her.
Huh? What is that? It looks like a fake moon.
Land on that lower roof so we can sneak up to take a look.
There she is. Ew, a toy cat? What is this junk?
What's wrong with cats?
You moths are useless. Nothing you found is good enough for my new Luna lair. Luna lair? I told you. I only want the most beautiful things. I'll have to do it myself. Luna board! Quick, PJ Masks, after her! Where is she?
Looking for better things than that toy cat.
Hey, I like that cat.
Where would she find the most beautiful things? Owl eyes! Fluttering feathers! She's at my house! Oh no,
My giving owl!
This moon statue is perfect. Why didn't you moths bring it home? Once it's mine, I'm going to make you put all that other junk back.
You hear that? She'd return all the other things if she had the giving owl.
Cool chameleons. You're supposed to give it away to someone anyway.
Yeah, giving it away to Luna Girl will make you feel good. Couldn't be better.
It's just what my new Luna layer needs. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's
Mine!
What?
So it really is a keeping owl.
Just for that, I'm going to keep everything I've already stolen and take lots more. You'll see.
Got my giving owl, though. Hooray!
But we need to stop Luna Girl.
And we will. No problem. Wherever Luna Girl goes, the PJ Masks will follow. There she is! She's headed for the museum!
PJ Masks, let's move.
None of this stuff is as great as that moon statue. Keep looking, moths.
Couldn't you just give her what she wants, Owlette?
No! The giving owl statue is mine!
Okay, let's try this then. Super Cat Speed!
Come on, moths. We don't have all... Huh? What? Hey! What's going on?
All the doors are closed, Luna Girl.
We've got you trapped.
As if... Luna Board! Ha ha ha! No! Get it!
Phew!
Ha ha ha!
Luna Girl and her moths have escaped.
But they left everything behind. Not my giving owl. She took it. Can't we just pretend you gave it to her? I didn't think so. Whoa! Looks like Luna Girl doesn't want any of this stuff anymore.
I don't know why anyone wouldn't want this cat.
Let's just get it all back to class.
Then everyone will be happy again.
Except me. My giving owl's not here. I'm going in to get it back. Oh! There's some kind of force field here. I'm going to need your help getting my statue.
Are you sure you don't want to give it away?
Luna Girl stole my statue. She doesn't deserve to keep it. Okay, you make her come out. I'll see if I can force my way inside. Hey, Luna Girl!
You're interrupting me adoring my beautiful moon sculpture.
It's an owl sculpture, and you stole it.
No, I was sure you gave it to me.
No way, it's mine.
But it suits me better, so I should have it. Go on, say it's mine. Say it!
Okay, Super Gekko muscles. Wiggling reptiles. Let's go. Gekko!
Ha! Lizard Boys had a taste of my force field freeze. No one gets in my Luna lair, and no one takes my moon sculpture from me because it's mine. Mine! Mine! Mine!
Ha! You're not going to have it for long. Luna Girl, you win. The statue's yours. We're leaving.
I knew you'd come to your senses in the end.
What about Gekko? We'll get him free and get my statue back, too. You just need to run down the fire escape and then back up the inside stairs to come out that door, okay?
If you think that'll work.
Go, Catboy, now!
It's over, Luna Girl.
Catboy!
I think I'll put Lizard Boy and Pussycat in my Luna lair, too. They'll make excellent statues.
Owlette no friends. Do you want to be furniture for my Luna lair too? Time to be a hero, I guess. Okay, I really am giving it to you. The moon statue is yours, just like Gekko and Catboy go. You're really saying it's mine? To keep forever? Yes, to keep forever. Now will you let my friends go? No. No? But... What? Did you forget that I'm a villain? Now, I'm going to complete my PJ statue collection! Owlette! Owl wing wind! Huh? Ah! Yes! We're free! To the owl glider! No! My statue! I'm really sorry I took it. You're sorry? Yes. I just loved it so much.
Owlette, come on, you were right.
Yeah, she stole it, and now she admits it. So let's go. Just a second. It's time to really be a hero. Here, I said you could have it, and I really mean it this time.
Really? I can?
Yes. Someone gave it to me, and now I'm giving it to you. And you know what? It does feel good. But you have to promise to give it away one day, too. Okay?
Okay.
Come on, moths. That was really nice of you, Owlette. Well, I'm not sure she'll give it away again, but it makes her happy, so giving it to her made me happy. PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day!
Thank you for that, Amaya, even if it wasn't quite a show and tell. More of a show and give.
Thanks, Amaya. Huh? Well, giving does make you feel good.
And it makes her feel so good that she just can't stop. Right, Amaya?
Yes! Who wants a toy truck? Or a whistle? Ooh, what else do I have? A cute hippo, elephant, walkie-talkie, a magazine all about owls, ooh, a t-shirt with a cute bunny on it, a toaster, a cup, a saucer, a fluffy kitten toy. Wow,